Okay, this street is called Dia de Milo, and it's kind of a nice area. We're gonna walk down. There's some beautiful flowers over on that side, and it's kind of hazy for some reason. And that's the other side of the street that we're not gonna go down, but we're gonna explore the one behind me. So let's go check it all out. Okay, so we're gonna check this out. We also have some beautiful flowers on that side. I'm gonna try to capture those in a minute as well. So let's head on over there. Yeah, these right here. Those look nice. They had a nice little look to everything. Yeah, those look really nice. Yeah, that is really cool.
Perché smette di chiamare intorno alle 11.
So let me just kind of capture it like that. Yeah, that looks amazing. Okay. So yeah, we're here in Naples. Got a noticeably wealthier area. It's actually quite, those flowers are beautiful. And the buildings, there's something about the buildings and the neighborhood people, like they're dressed up quite a bit differently. I feel like I've just been in tourist areas, and then suddenly I came over here and I stumbled into like kind of a wealthy area of locals. Some nice housing. Yeah, check out that apartment. Yeah, pretty interesting. Okay. Keep on going. Yeah, okay. It might be like art. Couldn't tell you exactly. Yeah, it's nice. Some nice buildings. Yeah, we're down here in Naples, Napoli. Oh wow, okay. This looks pretty cool right in here. Check that out. So we could actually walk up those stairs and go all the way up there as well. That goes all the way down to the waterfront. Yeah, it's nice. Sun is starting to go down a little bit. It's about 6 p.m. Let's see what some of these others are. I guess this is like a museum. Big giant doors. Okay. Keep on going down. Open up into a bit of plaza here too. Church is up there. Okay. So keep on going. Oh, here we go. So this is called the Teresa of Chiaia. I don't know how to pronounce that exactly. Looks like it's closed, I guess, today. Nice little plazas you can sit in as well. Yeah, this is really pleasant place. Not sure if I know exactly the neighborhood. I think this whole neighborhood is called Chiaia, which I know I'm mispronouncing horribly. It is pretty nice though. Kind of interesting. Okay. Yeah, these are some pretty interesting buildings. Naples is a pretty city. Lots of hills. Kind of want to run across the street real quick. Check this out. You got a street that goes all the way out, all the way down to the coastline.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's really cool. So they go up into the hills more and more as well. So you can see all those wow, okay. So you can see all those up in the hills now. That's pretty cool. See if we can get across here. Okay, just keep on going straight down. Yeah, it's a nice view. Wow. Keep on going all the way through here. Yeah, this is nice. Really nice. And you have all those views like that. Let's go a little bit more. Yeah, that's amazing. And you have more views down this way. It's also like pretty cool. Yeah, that looks nice. And that goes all the way down like that. Okay, so we're gonna end this one in a moment. We'll just go just a tiny bit further. But yeah, Naples, wow. some pretty cool stuff here. And I can see all those views of all those up the hills like that. And I guess we got a train station right here as well, which is the Piazza Amadeo station. So we're kind of at the base of the station right here. We basically came down that, straight down that way, and we can maybe see some views up here as well. Way up there. All right.
Non dispiace assolutamente, non lo voglio dire per te, tutti i ricordi, però non ti dire, ma non vengono così, grazie, non devono tirare, ma come fanno a pigliare tu? Voglio essere titoli, e titoli, ma chi dalla Spagna, titoli,